Hi! Welcome back po ulit sa OFW English Lessons. Ang pag-aaralan natin ngayon ay mga useful English Tagalog phrases for dining out o yung mga English sentences na pwede nating magamit pagkakain tayo sa restaurant o sa labas. Table for 4 please. Table for 4 please. Mesa po para sa 4 please. Can we sit outside? Can we sit outside? Pwede ba kaming umupo sa labas? Can we move to that table instead? Can we move to that table instead? Pwede bang lumipat kami sa mesang yon? Ang susunod nating phrase ay pwedeng gamitin kapag tumitingin ka sa menu. What's good here? What's good here? Kahulugan, anong masarap dito? What do you recommend? What do you recommend? Anong marirecommend mo? Can I see the kids' menu, please? Can I see the kids' menu, please? Pahiram naman ang menu na pambata. I'm ready to order. I'm ready to order. Mag-order na ako. I'll have pork sisig. I'll have pork sisig. Sisig na baboy sa akin. I'll have the same thing. I'll have the same thing. Ganon din ang sa akin. Can I get it without onions? Can I get it without onions? Pwede bang walang sibuyas yun? Can I have some pepper, please? Can I have some pepper, please? Pahingi naman ng paminta. Can I get a steak knife, please? Can I get a steak knife, please? Pahingi naman ng kutsilyong pang steak. Can I get some extra rice? Can I get some extra rice? Pahingi naman ng extra rice. Can I get the salad dressing on the side? Can I get the salad dressing on the side? Pakihiwalay naman ng lagayan yung salad dressing. What comes with that? What comes with that? Anong kasama nun? Does that come with fries? Does that come with fries? May kasama bang fries yon? Can I add cheese to that? Can I add cheese to that? Pwede ko bang dagdagan ng keso yon? Do you guys do takeout? Do you guys do takeout? Nagti-take out ba kayo? Can I swap the burger for a pizza? Can I swap the burger for a pizza? Pwede bang palitan ng burger ng pizza? Can you heat this up a little more? Can you heat this up a little more? Pwedeng pakiinit pa to ng konti. Just water from me. Just water from me. Tubig lang sa akin. What flavors do you have? What flavors do you have? Ano-anong flavor meron kayo? What sizes do you have? What sizes do you have? Anong sizes meron? I'll have the large iced tea. I'll have the large iced tea. Large iced tea po sa akin. Do you have refills on this? Do you have refills on this? Nagre-refill po ba kayo nito? Can I get light ice, please? Can I get light ice, please? Konting yelo lang po, please. Can I get a straw? Can I get a straw? Pwedeng pahingi ng straw? Can you make it half sweet? Can you make it half sweet? Pwede bang konting tamis lang? Do you guys still serve breakfast? Do you guys still serve breakfast? Nagsiserve pa ba kayo ng almusal? This isn't what I ordered. This isn't what I ordered. Hindi ito ang in-order ko. This is too spicy. This is too spicy. Sobrang anghang nito. This is undercooked. This is undercooked. Hilaw pa to. Can I get this to go? Can I get this to go? Pwedeng pabalot nito? Can we get the check, please? Can we get the check, please? Pahingi na ng bill. We'll split the bill. We'll split the bill. Hiwalay po kami ng bayad. Can we get it all on one check? Can we get it all on one check? Pagsamahin niyo na po lahat sa isang bill. Do you guys take card? Do you guys take card? Tumatanggap ba kayo ng card? Keep the change. Keep the change. Sa'yo na lang ang sukli.